Did you know the key to reading ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs was discovered completely by accident? In 1799, a French soldier named Pierre-François Bouchard was digging fortifications during Napoleon's invasion of Egypt. His shovel hit something hard buried in the dirt near the town of Rosetta. What he uncovered was a black granite slab covered in 3 different scripts, including mysterious hieroglyphs. This was the Rosetta Stone, but its journey nearly ended in disaster. When the British defeated Napoleon's forces, they seized the stone as a prize of war. It almost disappeared forever into private collections of wealthy collectors. The irony is staggering. Colonial power struggles nearly destroyed the very artifact that would unlock 3,000 years of lost Egyptian history. Without Bouchard's accidental discovery, we might still be staring at hieroglyphs in complete confusion today. One random shovel strike changed our understanding of an entire civilization forever.